What is oil additives for engine health? Oil additives play a significant role in enhancing the performance of engine oils. These additives include detergents, dispersants, anti-wear agents, and antioxidants. They help in cleaning the engine, preventing sludge buildup, and protecting engine parts from excessive wear and tear. There are 3 benefits of oil additives for diesel engines. 1. Important due to the nature of diesel fuel, which can lead to more soot and carbon buildup. 2. Ensure the oil stays cleaner for longer. 3. Helps protect the engine from damage caused by contaminants. Additives have 3 basic roles. Enhance existing base oil properties with antioxidants, corrosion inhibitors, anti-foam agents, and emulsifying agents. Suppress undesirable base oil properties with pour point depressants and viscosity index improvers. Impart new properties to base oils with extreme pressure additives, detergents, metal deactivators, and tackiness agents.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.